Thank you guys for like, comment, and subscribing. As always, turn on notifications for all future videos. Today, I'm at a different environment than usual. Shout out to Ethan. This is actually an old pallet customer I've had. Show you the business that once you go out and you learn how to service a customer properly, they'll call you back for years. We actually are doing a 500 pallet delivery. This company is paying us $7 a pallet, so this is a $3,500 move here. This is about 170 pallets that we delivered on this first drop. I'm gonna go back and get some more. I'm actually flipping them from a customer. I buy them from them for $2, so you can do the math. Quick day. So going back to the pallet thing today. As always, guys, diversify your income. Don't want to just rely on pallets, especially not right now in this crazy recession and economic times that we're in. Diversifying your income and getting multiple revenue is the key here. But I want to show you guys what's possible when you do good pallet business with people. They call you back years and years later. Again, 160, 170 going down in this one drop. 500 for the day. Shout out to Ethan again. As always, guys, shoot me an email, shoot me a DM, learn the business. Documentation beats conversation. Visit the website in the description, proscrappingguide.com. Join the email list for when we drop the ebook. Make sure you guys will be one of the first to get your hands on it. Gonna revolutionize the game. Let's get it done, man. Shoot me an email, shoot me a DM. Let's lock in. Peace and love.